my vlog. Vlog. I'm walking on the street. I'm heading to my home. Actually, the car was very noisy. So today I would like to talk about noise pollution. As you know, because we're on it, some sounds have a bad effect on our heads, such as car traffic noise like this, and so much shouting and the loud music coming out of the store. I think it can cause to us hearing problem and big stress. So I think we need some quiet time. Let me suggest one. Try to get some time to you alone, once a day. It will help reduce our stress. So I hope you try it and it helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Bye.